Hi everyone, good morning. Today is day 2 and we're going to eat breakfast here at the hotel. Ready? They also have only yogurt. Yummy, my favorite strawberry. They have cereals. And I also saw that they have an egg station. Ayun, okay na yung breakfast ko. May egg station na. I have omelette and ham and chicken sausage, I think this is chicken and pork satay. Let's eat. I have pastries.